Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to view your Apple ID now. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is unlocked and online, then open Settings. Once done, tap your name at the top. That single tap reveals the Apple ID panel where Apple shows your account email, trusted phone numbers, and primary devices. Pay attention to the small labels: Apple ID, Media and Purchases, and iCloud. You need to be signed in. If prompted, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so the account details display securely. Once inside the Apple ID panel, tap the sections that matter. iCloud shows storage and backups, Media and Purchases lists link storefronts, and Password and Security handles two-factor and password changes. Scroll down to the Devices list to confirm which hardware is signed in. Select any entry to view last seen location and remove it if it's not yours. You can mirror these steps on a Mac via System Settings Apple ID or on the web at Appleid. Apple.com to manage devices, trusted numbers, and app-specific passwords. To finish, apply any changes, update recovery contacts, change your password, or sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. If you change the password, make sure to update it for iCloud, App Store, and Mail on each device. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes. Confirm Wi-Fi or cellular, restart the device, and attempt viewing the Apple ID from a different device or the web. If you still can't access the account, initiate account recovery or use your trusted phone to receive verification codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.